Just that it's a complete surprise. I wouldn't expect it at this station. We're actually just walking a friend over here, telling her that it's safe to catch the train here. So this definitely changes a lot.
Do you ride the train often, and have you ever encountered something like this?
No. I guess I've really lucked out. I take this like basically every day, every other day.
Okay. Is there anything else you want to add to this? Like, do you fear for your safety when you ride the train in general?
Sometimes it's in the back of my mind, but now it's definitely a lot more present, and I'm going to be thinking about it a lot more.
Right. Provide your name, please, and spell it.
My name is Shirley Lau, SHIRLEYLAU.
I mean, it's New York City. There's stuff that happens on the train all the time. I feel fortunate, honestly, that I feel comfortable and at home in my own body. I feel aware enough to recognize when things feel like they're escalating, maybe. Try to do my part in de-escalating them. But yeah, I feel fortunate that I don't usually feel afraid on the subway.